Artificial intelligence is the best solution for predictive maintenance because it transforms reactive processes into proactive ones, with speed, precision, and scalability. Every production process inherently carries the risk of defects that can compromise the quality of the final product. Detecting excessive degradation only at the end of the production line could lead to the rejection of an entire batch, resulting in wasting time and financial loss. Instead of waiting for a machine to fail or relying on a scheduled check that may miss early signs of malfunction, predictive maintenance helps identify in advance machines along the production line that are misconfigured or malfunctioning. This allows for timely intervention, minimizing losses and improving the overall efficiency of the production chain. AI continuously analyzes sensor data in real time. It learns from historical patterns and operational behavior to detect anomalies, forecast potential breakdown, and recommend timely intervention, often before any visible issues occurs. Now, imagine the impact of identifying a drop in quality just 30 minutes in advance. That's enough time to intervene, adjust the machine, and prevent an entire batch from being compromised. It's about transforming production in smarter, more responsible system where decisions are driven by data. That shift from doubt to trust, from reactive to proactive, is where the real transformation happened. My advice to any company considering a shift towards AI-driven quality control is simple. Start by digitizing the production line and collecting the right data as soon as possible. So, the key is to be intentional, gather meaningful data, structure it properly, and build an AI journey on a solid foundation. That's how you can turn technology into real measurable value.